The digital era we live in brings us both joys and challenges. Kids love screens, but it's important to keep the right balance. It's our job to encourage their natural curiosity and creative mindset. Let kids play and experiment. Let them fail and achieve. Help them bring their imagination to life. Every child has an inner creative genius. You just need the right tools to unleash it. What if you could foster their creativity and get them to be physically active at the same time? What if you could build the creation of their dreams together, just like Lego or Meccano, but then bigger, much bigger? Meet Infento. Infento is a modular construction kit that lets you spend more quality time with your children while building amazing rides together. Thanks to its multifunctional parts, you can construct anything you can think of. All you need is an Infento kit and this simple tool. Building rides together is not only fun, it also teaches your children 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem solving. We launched our first kits on Kickstarter in 2015. Response has been overwhelming, and we received amazing reactions from all over the world. Thousands of families in more than 60 countries are building awesome creations together. And now we're back with 3 new inventions that brings a massive expansion of the Infento universe. Get ready for 6 brand new kits and a grand total of 32 rides that will let you move in incredible new ways. Every part in an Infento kit is the highest possible quality and designed to be extremely durable, safe, and modular. Kids quickly outgrow their toys, and you end up buying new ones all the time. Infento now brings you the ultimate sustainable solution. Stop buying new toys and burdening the environment. You only need one kit for their whole childhood, from toddler to teenager. Step into the modular universe of Infento and discover the endless possibilities. Have fun in summer and winter. Transform your ride into a glide. Add cool light effects to your creation. Join our community of makers and get inspired by creations of families all around the world. Give them the tools to invent and play. Start creating together and set a life of discovery in motion.